Good morning, everyone. It's a silly winter morning. Me and my daughter Synthia are out for morning walk. We love starting our days this way. Hey, Cynthia, say something. Say hello.
Hi, my name is Synthia and my father name is Shahidul Islam. As you can see, my father.
Okay. We love starting our days this way, and you can see here. Uh, as you can see here, in the distance, a long white building. It's a simple elegance, highlighted by the deep green trees wall in behind it. As we continue our morning work, Cynthia found something interesting in the bushes. As you see, the little flower, beautiful flower. Wow, she loves discovering little wonders in the nature. Okay, Cynthia, let's go. Come on. As you walk, we're capturing the beautiful morning to share with you. Hope you like this moment.